Alright, so to replace this part, put it on a new pump. Basically, back here, right here, you'll see the a screw here that you can just loosen. And then it loosens this part, and then it makes it, depending on how long it's been on there, it'll make it easier to take off. Just kind of have to wiggle it around. And then once you have your new, get your new pump, you kind of just have to wiggle it back on there. And then you can slide this part back over here and then just tighten it like so. And now it is completely sealed back on there. And that's it.